Welcome back to the Duct Kings channel, your go-to source for everything air duct cleaning. Today, we're shedding light on a crucial home maintenance service that keeps your home healthy and your furnace operating optimally: furnace duct cleaning. Now, you might be asking, why do I need to clean my furnace ducts? Over time, dust, allergens, and other particles can build up in your duct system. When your furnace kicks in, these particles circulate through your home, affecting air quality and making your furnace work harder. This is where our professional furnace duct cleaning services come into play. With the Duct Kings, you get a team that cares about your home's air quality as much as you do. So, how does our process work? We start with a thorough inspection of your furnace duct system. Using high-resolution cameras, we're able to identify problematic areas that require our expert attention. Next, our trained technicians utilize specialized equipment to dislodge the accumulated debris. This is done carefully to prevent any damage to your ductwork. After dislodging the debris, we use high-powered vacuums to remove it from your duct system, leaving your furnace ducts clean, enhancing your furnace's efficiency and improving the air quality in your home. At the Duct Kings, we believe in making your furnace duct cleaning service hassle-free and beneficial to your home's health. We always ensure that our team leaves your home just as clean as we found it, if not cleaner. So, don't wait until your furnace is overworking or your home's air quality deteriorates. Schedule a professional furnace duct cleaning service with the Duct Kings today. Let us help you breathe easier and live healthier. Thanks for tuning in to this furnace duct cleaning video. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. This is the Duct Kings, signing off.